Yo Internet, Authentic Peach here with a different kind of video for you today. I'm pretty excited about this. This will be my first unboxing video here. Today we'll be unboxing the Blue Yeti and a Dragon Pad pop filter. So I'll be able to update my setup here. So the Blue Yeti here, it's the blackout variant. I thought it looks pretty cool, that's why I ordered it. So, and typically most big YouTubers use the Blue Yeti. So let's get down to opening this microphone. So before I open the Blue Yeti, I would first like to admire the artwork on this box here. So it has like different little Yeti cartoon animals here, right here. So, Yeti, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. You see the abominable stone man. Incredibly versatile USB found worldwide. It's funny. Yeah, synonyms, amazing vocals, music, podcasts, voiceovers, much more. Yeah, so yeah, I really like these little cartoons here. Very humorous. So, let's open up the Blue Yeti. Does this come out? It is. How about that? And now we have a white box here. Just taped. Can untape this. We can get into it. Alright. What is this? It's like, it's kind of funny, it's like the ice in some ice cave or whatever. So we got the USB cable. We got a Yeti, the instructions manual for the Blue Yeti, the ultimate USB microphone. Yeah. All right. Oh, look at you! You're upside down. Try not to damage it. It's really stuck in this styrofoam. Wow. Alright, there we go. So look at this. Heavy duty, that's for sure. Ooh, we can mess with the audio gain. And different patterns on the back. I'm not really sure what these would do. Oh, and you got a mute button. Got a volume. It's pretty cool. Blue. Alright, and then down here we would have the headphones jack. And then I guess that would connect to your computer. Alright, that's really cool. Can we tighten this just so it's not flimsy? Alright, yeah, there you go. It's now tightening here. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Alright. This is a padded stand. A little dusty from the package. So I have to clean off a little later. Alright, now we have the Dragon Pad pop filter. pop screen for broadcasting and recording. I got this in a package deal with Jeff Bezos' Amazon. So, studio microphone with screen pop filter. So this is what it is. Look at this. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Very professional. How would this connect? And didn't this come with any instructions? I don't think it did. So they expect me to find out on my own. Alright. Well. Alright, so this will help it clamp down on it, on whatever. Alright. I think I got it. Alright. Pretty much got it now. Yeah. That is the Blue Yeti and the Dragon Pad pop filter. It took me a while to attach the pop filter, but I figured it out. So, can't wait to use this. I really like the color of Ford. I'm totally a sucker when it comes to the appearance of the hardware and stuff. So there you have it, folks. That is the Blue Yeti microphone with the Dragon Pad pop filter combo. I guess I'll leave a link to it on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by it in any way, but I'm pretty excited to use this as my new setup and put away my old microphone. So it's a good upgrade, I would say. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video.